I'm Nir from the stores team at Wix Studio. With the holiday season just around the corner, it's time to get your clients' stores prepped for the rush. If you walk around your city this time of year, you'll see warm and inviting storefronts all dressed up for the season. So, what if you could recreate that holiday feel online with zero code and zero extra resources? In this two-part tutorial, we'll explore how to get client site holiday ready without the hassle. There are two ways you can get clients ready for the rush: storefront optimization and back office prep. We'll start by exploring the storefront and some quick festive fixes that will draw shoppers in. So let's see how we can recreate that high street holiday charm online. Here's a snowboarding store that could use a little festive flair. Let's give it a fresh new look that captures the holiday spirit. We'll start by adding an eye-catching discount banner to grab shoppers' attention. It's also a great way to create urgency and highlight limited time offers. Next, let's add sale ribbons to product images to help shoppers quickly spot a deal. And finally, we'll add a dedicated section to promote a new holiday collection. Looks good, right? Now let's recreate these elements step by step. First up, let's give the hero banner a holiday upgrade. We'll start by replacing the main image with the more seasonal winter scene. Nice! Now let's give the background that same wintry feel. Once the design is a little more festive, it's time to change the text to match. For this example, we're going with a catchy hook that highlights the holiday offers. We want the call to action to be eye-catching, so let's give it visual pop with a nice vibrant gradient. We've chosen magenta and icy blue to match the look and feel of the brand. And with just a few final tweaks, our new holiday homepage is ready. Okay, so we've made our homepage merry and bright. Now it's time to spread the same festive feel to the rest of the site. Our next step is to add the holiday sale discount banner. To get started, we'll go to Add Elements and search for Text Marquee. Easy. Then we'll drag the banner to the homepage and add our text. We're keeping it simple this time with holiday sale. Now, we just need to customize the font and color to fit the client's brand. Give it a stretch, and that's it. Our holiday sale banner is live. The store is looking a lot more festive already, but we still have a little more dressing up to do. So let's get those sale products featured. First off, let's edit the text so shoppers know the sale has started. Then we want to display the sale collection in the product gallery for easy browsing. Marking the prices in a bright color will really help them stand out. Now, let's unhide the original prices and add some sale ribbons so shoppers know they're getting a good deal. Almost there, but we've still got one last festive touch to add. So, let's quickly build a section to feature the new holiday collection. We'll start by dragging a slideshow repeater to where we want the collection to feature. Now, let's remove the elements we don't need and just adjust the ones we do. In this example, we're moving the arrows down a section and adding margins. We can customize the background or add media and assets from the library. Let's add this crisp snowboarding image and adjust the size so it fits the new section. Then, all that's left is to name the collection and align it vertically. To finish it off, we're adding a bold gradient background. Adding animations and effects can really take that festive feel one step further. You can adjust the size, distance, and velocity for an even more immersive holiday storefront. So that's it, a holiday-ready homepage with all the trimmings. And here's how it looks. Now you're ready to recreate that brick-and-mortar holiday magic on your client site with just 5 key elements: a festive layout, flash sale coupons, the holiday sale banner, sale ribbons, and a new section for your client's holiday collections. In part 2 of this tutorial, Michelle will guide you through some essential back office features that'll keep those sales rolling in.